Welcome back to Asian Reviews, and today I'm going to be testing and reviewing the Logitech Roamer G tactile switches on the Logitech G413 Carbon mechanical gaming keyboard.
Fire when the storm hits you.
Overall, I really like these switches. In terms of design, they do have an LED in the middle of this key switch instead of on the top or bottom. So you're going to be able to see those backlit LEDs really shine through the keyboard. And in terms of the G413, there is a metal backplate, so it really is just really vibrant. Now, in terms of the sound of the switches, they are comparable to something like a Cherry MX Red, a Razer Orange, a Cherry MX Brown, or comparable switch, and so they're going to be pretty quiet. And then again, with the sleek design of this keyboard, you're going to be able to use this in the office, at home, and for gaming, which is awesome. In terms of the design and functionality of the switch, we talked about the LEDs, but these switches actually have a shorter actuation distance and it requires less force to push the key down. So in terms of gaming and really quick typing, you're going to be able to feel those responsive key switches, and it's really going to improve your gaming experience. I really have no really major things to say, other than when you compare these Roamer G tactile switches to something like a Cherry MX Brown or a Razer Orange, those orange and brown switches are going to feel a little bit smoother compared to the Logitech tactiles. However, it's kind of like when you're shopping for TVs in a store. You can kind of see the difference when you're comparing two TVs side to side, but once you take it home, you really can't see that much of a difference. Now, if you're interested to learn more about the Logitech G413 mechanical keyboard, make sure you check out my review, which is going to be on screen now in the top right corner or linked down in the description. We really just go over all the features of that really amazing keyboard and discuss a little bit more into these Logitech Roamer G tactile switches. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Make sure to like the video if you did enjoy, and to subscribe if you have not already to stay updated on my new DIYs, reviews, and other Asian review videos. Make sure to follow me on social media as well to stay updated on giveaways, video releases, and stuff like that. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.